Welcome here. Today's trade ideas is going to be very brief because we will be building on our previous analysis. So since we are dropping analysis every day, it's not going to be very, very long again. So we know where we are at the on the in the market. So without too much rushing as well. So we're going to patiently review what's what our analysis has done and what it has provided us with. So here we are in the market. And let's pick it from daily. We did analyze. If you watch previous analysis, you will see why we are here and how we pick this particular trade. Or from today, just going to pick it up from what was done from this particular level here into the highs. So we have the reaction yesterday, and the price did give us a normal uh, precious good reversal from the level we are anticipating it from. Then yesterday we did make some analysis about this internal structure here that it might actually, reacting from this shift that we've created from this level that we might have a deeper retracement into this particular level here. And this internal structure did give us some nice something. They've been we streamline our trade into this internal structure, then our 1 to 5 would have actually giving us something nice in the market. But as you know, we are kind of uh, giving ourselves enough room so that at least we'll be able to kind of have space to react freely in the market. So without worrying about being quickly stopped out of the market because anything can happen from all these levels here. And sticking to 4 hours, that's the benefit of it. So we have this big something, but the fair value gap on daily did give us this particular leg here. And this internal structure would have given us our normal 1 to 5 in the market. But in the future, coming future, we will know that's okay. We can be actually putting some kind of risk on all those levels. Then this internal structure that we reacted from yesterday, and if we go on 5 minutes regarding the internal structure, and I talked about this particular level because we missed the internal structure tapping coming down, and I picked this particular leg here, this one. You can see our trade is staying intact. So let's just hide it so that for the purpose of today's analysis, so within this particular leg here, that if price should go above this level, then this internal structure will not be holding. Even though I did put at least 2% on this leg here coming down, so that at least maybe we'll be able to react deeper into our internal structure that we picked on higher time frame. So, but we did have that level was transcended and the stop loss was hit, and our analysis continue to go in our initial direction. So we just want to use this internal structure to hedge out the trade anyway. And that's the purpose of bringing in this trade yesterday. But since it was our major analysis code, then we have nothing to worry about this one because we're going to easily recover it from something. Then one thing you notice is I've actually reduced it something from 1 to 5 because of this bigger range to 1 to 3 and targeting our previous monthly high. So we'll be targeting that 1 to 3. Then with what we are seeing from this particular level here now, we can see that okay, we have this big leg serving as order block for this particular leg that goes into this fair value gap and reclaim order block here. Then we can see that this particular leg is what is going to sustain the price and be what is going to push the price into the highs now, because you can see that we are on the right side of the market as what is doing. So personally, this in order it serves as order block on daily, and if we are going to say it, this particular leg is the high of the other block, but this is the opening. I mean, this is the opening of the other block. So either of the two places. But if you check on 4 hour, we have this leg here and this internal, what is it called? That line perfectly. This internal structure that lie perfectly on on the opening of the candle of our previous, I mean, of our other block on daily. So we have this internal structure. Or even though if we pick these two legs here, we can see a nice reaction from the level. But for the fact that we are still in London, we still be very, very careful in following through with that one. But I like using the method. And if I'm going to take any additional trade from this particular level, I'm going to be using this double confluence, which is the opening of the other block on daily, combined with this internal structure that might be later reclaimed. And as you can see, we still have another internal structure within this leg here. So anything can happen from that leg. And this internal structure that we did analyze yesterday has been reclaimed on lower time frame. So might not be actually expecting price coming back into this level so far the price continue to move into the highs. So the next draw on liquidity is our previous monthly high, and that's my profit objective in the market. So without wasting time or trying to do over analysis and other stuff, we have this leg here, and as we can see, whatever makes us to close above this level here, then automatically we might not be anticipating or expecting any price action into this level again. If we check truly on I mean, on 50 minutes, we can see this particular level here, which is what is reacting to the price now. That's reactionary area that we could have easily, but coming into the market, so I wasn't even expecting anything from. You can see the set to buy we have within this leg. So it is something that can sustain price from coming down. But we have this opening here as well, the opening of the other block. So anything can still happen. This leg can still be manipulated, but we be on the lookout. So whatever happens, happens. But personally, if we continue with that leg, then automatically that will be what will be supporting price into the highs. So nonetheless, I will still be putting on my own trade for this reclaim other block here. I'll be following reclaim internal structure. I like perfectly with this internal structure here. So that would be what I'll be looking forward to. And if peradventure price did not come back to it, then so be it. But that would be my level that I'll be anticipating to buy from because of the opening it is on daily. So I guess that would be my level, at least for today. So um that would be all. Let's put the trade on. I've done my own something, so it's the longer that'll be the level. That'll be the level I'll be buying. I'll be trying to buy from again. So if price give us some kind of reaction back into this level, then automatically I'll be buying from this particular leg here. And as you can see, the internal structure we have a lot of level that can sustain the price, but this is the major level, and we've seen a reaction from the level. And anything can still happen within the market, but nonetheless, I'm not going to try and chase the price because this is the level I'm anticipating, even though it's from this particular level here that the price is we can be willing, I mean, I'm willing to buy from the high of the candle, but at least I want to wait for the opening to be tapped. But nonetheless, if it is not tapped, that's still okay by me. I'm still good. So I'm just going to follow through with what we have there. So I guess that will be all for this morning. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day. Bless us all. Amen.